So with the video in mid-stance, so just as my knees are passing, we're going to have a look at the angle of my foot. So if we can see there, my heel's still in full contact with the ground. If we zoom in a bit, we can see the angle of my calcaneus bone there, that's my heel bone, and it's maybe 2 or 3 degrees, and that's at mid-stance, okay? So if we pull it back, pull it forwards, just as the heel starts to lift just there, you can see by then my calcaneus bone has become, 1 or 2 degrees into what we call supination, or rolled out. And that's good. So what we would see here, supination is the rolling out, and it's happened before the heel has come off the ground. If that heel had come off the ground and that little 1 or 2 degrees of pronation was still there, we would call that delayed supination. And that places a bit more stress on things like the plantar fascia and the tibialis posterior tendon. So we've got the plantar fascia down here and the tibialis posterior tendon on the inside just there. So delayed supination is something to look out for. So we're not as interested in the degree of pronation, right, the degree to which the arch falls down, as long as by the time the heel comes off just there, we've got back to at least neutral, or you can see with me a couple of degrees of supination.